An explosive-laden SUV spotted outside the house of India's richest man sent Mumbai's security establishment into a tizzy. And the mystery behind the bomb scare near Mukesh Ambani's residence has deepened. Mansukh Hiren, the man whose car was used to plant gelatin sticks outside Antilia, has been found dead. According to the police, Hiren's face was wrapped in 5 handkerchiefs. Hiren's family says the death can't be due to suicide, as his last location was in Virar, which is far away from Thane. Hiren's death comes just 2 days after the investigating officer heading the probe into the bomb scare was changed. Assistant Police Inspector Sachin Vaze, who was earlier heading the probe, hinted Hiren was being harassed. Hours after Hiren's suspicious death, Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh issued a statement in the State Assembly. He said no injury marks have been found on Hiren's body and announced that Maharashtra Anti-Terrorism Squad will probe his death. A week earlier, Hiren had claimed that his car was stolen before it was found at Antilia carrying explosives.
The police have so far not revealed what the motive behind this entire incident was or how serious the threat was. But the death of Hiren Mansukh has certainly added to the mystery.
Let's give you a sense of how things have unfolded in this case. It all started with last week, an explosive-laden car being found close to Mukesh Ambani's house, Antilia. That was on February 26th. Now, a few days later, and by then already the police had identified that the SUV was in fact owned by Hiren Mansukh. Hiren Mansukh was spotted outside his residence. This was in fact the Vikas Palm Housing Society. This was on March 4th. Now, after that, his last location was also identified to be in Virar. This is on March 4th. Virar is about 50 kilometers away from Thane, which is what has led to a big question mark. He's been found dead in Thane at the Kalwa Creek Bridge. This is in Thane, 50 kilometers away from Virar. His family is saying this is not a case of suicide. They're also saying he had absolutely no work or any business in Thane. Let me take this across to Mustafa Sheikh for the latest updates on the investigation. Mustafa, what is the Mumbai police saying at this point? Any statement that they've issued about Hiren Mansukh? Was he someone who they were looking into in this original case itself?
Well, Mumbai police till now has only said that the case has now been taken from them and it has been given to Maharashtra ATS. They have also said that they have received information that Hiren Mansukh had given a complaint to Thane police saying that he was being harassed by some journalists and some policemen regarding the Ambani bomb scare case. Now, questions are being raised on the situations and the condition in which the suicide has been committed. One, there was some handkerchief found in his mouth, so the suspicion of he being gagged. His relatives and family and neighbors saying that he was a good swimmer. He used to teach swimming to the neighbors in the building. So how can he jump and commit a suicide in a creek? So these are questions which the Maharashtra ATS is now looking to solve. They have added suspicion of the entire Ambani bomb scare case, which was not yet solved. And Hiren Mansukh was appearing to be the only link or clue in this entire case. Now they are left blindsided and they have to investigate both the cases and unfold the mystery behind both of it, which the Mumbai police was not able to do in the last few weeks.